Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll discuss divorce and credit card debt. I know what you're thinking. How can I complicate something that's already complicated? I can mix credit card debt with a failing relationship. And it's true. But fortunately, freeing yourself from this situation can be pretty straightforward. So if you and your soon-to-be ex-spouse share any credit card accounts that have a zero balance, you can either just close those accounts or remove your ex as an authorized user and just go your separate ways. But things get a little bit more complicated when there is an unpaid balance. And a lot of that actually depends on where you live. In most states, common law dictates that you will be liable only for debts in your own name, whether individually or jointly. So if your spouse has debt on a credit card solely in his or her name, for example, you probably won't have a legal obligation to pay. But some states, known as community law states, require liability for debt incurred during marriage to be split, regardless of whether the debt is just in one person's name. So the ideal solution to shared credit card debt in divorce is to agree to split the amount due in a fair manner without involving a judge, and then close the account once the balance is brought down to zero. So that could entail one of you paying the credit card company before being partially reimbursed by the other, or each of you transferring your share of the balance to your own credit card account. You have a couple of options there. But what you don't want to do is make separate payments for less than the minimum amount due, because then neither would be credited as an official payment. And similarly, you don't want to ignore the debt, because that will cause an even bigger problem for your credit score. So with all of that being said, the easiest way to deal with credit card debt during divorce often involves at least one balance transfer credit card. And if you're in the market for one, we've removed the hassle for you, at least in this part of the equation. You can check out Wallet Hub's editor's picks for the best balance transfer cards by clicking the button here. Good luck, Wallet Hubbers.